Thank you for joining us today. My name is Jeffrey Morris and I'm a ceramic engineer with 3M Oral Care Solutions. Today I'll be discussing an important standard related to ceramic materials used in dentistry. This standard gives guidance related to the requirements for many of the physical properties such as flexural strength and fracture toughness that ceramic materials must meet to be used for different crown and bridge indications. Today we'll focus on properties of all ceramic crown materials which are designated Type 2 ceramics in the standard. The foundation of 3M's R&D is built on 46 technology platforms. These platforms, which range from adhesives and abrasives to sensors and electronic materials, are available to and leveraged across all of 3M's business units in every region to efficiently bring new ideas and product solutions from the R&D lab to the factory and finally to our customers' dental labs and operatories. 3M is highly integrated and collaborative without silos. Therefore, 3M Oral Care Solutions can bring together all the technology platforms needed to develop unique and innovative solutions. One of the company's oldest technology platforms is ceramics. ISO 6872, Dentistry Ceramic Materials, which has been adopted by the ADA as number 69, is the standard clinicians should use for guidance as to the strength and fracture toughness required for ceramic material for different indications. Flexural strength measurements are made on finely polished samples and is an indication of a material's strength in a pristine state, when the material has not been scratched or damaged. Fracture toughness, on the other hand, is a measurement of the damage tolerance of a material. It is a measurement of how difficult it is to break a material after it has been damaged. As an example, materials such as glass, which break easily when scratched, have a relatively low fracture toughness, which can be undesirable when used in many dental applications. Here we plot the various classifications of dental ceramics as defined by ISO 6872. These classifications were developed by the ISO Technical Committee 106, Subcommittee 2, which was led by Dr. Robert Kelly, and are based on the clinical experience of a large number of dental ceramics used in various indications. As the demand of the indication increased, so do the flexural strength and fracture toughness requirements. As an example, for a single unit crown that is adhesively cemented, we must have a flexural strength above 100 megapascals and a fracture toughness of greater than 1. For multi-unit anterior bridges or non-adhesively cemented single unit crowns, we need greater than 300 megapascals and a fracture toughness of greater than 2. And for greater than 3-unit bridges in all locations, we need greater than 800 megapascals and a fracture toughness of greater than 5. Now if we plot some material classes on this graph, we see the following. While highly aesthetic, the mechanical properties of leucite glass ceramics, such as Ivoclar's IPS Impress, or composite and hybrid ceramic materials such as GC Cerasmart and Vita Zenamic, limit the indication range where they are recommended. Lithium disilicate or zirconia modified glass ceramic materials such as Ivoclar's IPS Max or Dentsply Sirona's Celtra Duo are stronger but still struggle to meet the demands of multi-unit bridges in the posterior. In fact, failure rates in excess of 25% have been reported for partial fixed dental prostheses made from lithium disilicate materials such as IPS Max. Lava Esthetic Zirconia is a newly developed material by 3M that meets the requirements of a Class 4 ceramic. The higher fracture toughness as compared to glass ceramic materials enables its use in 3-unit anterior and posterior bridges. Lava Frame and Lava Plus Zirconia meet the strength and toughness requirements for the most demanding indications such as long span bridges. With lower fracture toughness materials, you are always wondering if they are going to be good enough. By choosing a material that meets a higher strength class requirement, such as Lava Aesthetic and Lava Plus, you are confident in a high probability of clinical success. In conclusion, as stated by Dr. Kelly, unlike strength, fracture toughness has been observed to generally correlate with clinical indications, leading the Technical Committee 106 Dentistry of the International Standards Organization to recommend fracture toughness values. New ceramics just entering the market can be grouped accordingly with some assurance that their clinical indications will be similar to those used to develop the classification. In 2016, Dr. Kelly was recognized by the International Association of Dental Research and awarded the Wilmer Sauter Distinguished Scientist Award in recognition of his work to help establish this important dental standard.